What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in today's video is about a few stocks that's going to double, guys. And so, listen, I got to make sure they're on your radar and that you locked, loaded, and ready to go. But listen, if I helped you in any way, that I'll help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. I don't know about you guys, but I am always excited to be back in the stock market. And as you can see, we're up just a little bit on a day. Not too much to write home about, but there's nothing to be down about either, guys. Just a pretty flat day for those of you that are in the type of plays that I'm in, okay? But listen, guys, today I want to talk to you about a couple plays that's going to double, and I want to give you guys some guidance around those plays, okay? But before we do that, let's hop into an update on this particular play right here. Listen, guys, ticker symbol ZOM, Zomedica, currently sitting at $2.03, down 6% on the day. This is probably the biggest loser. Hey, listen, guys, just so you know, I'm going to always look out for your best interest. If I tell you something, try to trust and believe it as much as you can. When it comes to the stock market, I very rarely miss. And I'm talking about 9 out of 10 times you can expect me to be on point. Same with this one. I told you guys back at 240 to get out of this play for these reasons right here. This play can't even make it above $2.08, okay? It want to live and it will live at 175, okay? So listen, I got a lot of fans out there. You guys are family. Those that rock with me the long way, you guys are family. But then we have fans, aka haters, but we don't use the word haters, okay? So they are known as fans that just don't understand the game and don't understand the guidance the right way. No knock, I want y'all to love on them. If y'all see them hating, if y'all see them talking down, send them some love, okay? I rarely miss in the stock market. This is a reason why I told you guys to get out of this play, and where the play I'm gonna introduce next is where you should have pivoted to. But without further ado, let's look into that. Many of my fans missed the boat with ZOM. We bought that at 49 cents and has rolled it up for probably a quadruple at this point. So I told you guys to get out of that, but one play you might should have pivoted to was Genius Brands, ticker symbol GNUS, currently sitting at 240. Remember, since the time I told you to get out of that and think about this play in that whole time, what's really been winning. This will be a play that will double, okay? Even though I have a longer outlook from a long-term perspective for this play being $10. In the meantime, in the short term, this play will reach $4, $5 range, all right? So listen, guys, if you need a play to get out of when you do leave ZOM completely, because it's not gonna do anything, it's gonna stall for the next 3 months. Let me just give you the game, because you can't find this nowhere and you won't find it. So I'm trying to tell it to you so that you guys can save yourself, pivot the right way, make the right moves, and go back and get it in 3 months from now. Then we can take it up higher. But for right now, it's going to stay exactly where it's at, $2 and below. Anyway, get back in this play for a quick double up to around $4 to $5 within the next 3 months if you guys want to double or triple your money. The next play I have for you guys is BNGO. You guys know I've been put you on this one. But listen, guys, they have earnings coming up tomorrow. So that one thing I want to do is always give you the news in advance so you can be prepared. I'm not saying that they're going to get some love on earnings, because many of our plays don't. But it's okay. Just like many of our fans, Wall Street is asleep too. But check it out. If this play dips, I want you to buy the dip on this tomorrow. After it dips and after they hit it out the park, this will be a home run earnings report. However, it's going to most likely dip. When it dips tomorrow, you guys get another bite at the apple. Buy this at $8.75 or $8.50, okay? Look for that for tomorrow. It's going to do well on earnings. This is one of the top dogs in the game. However, Wall Street is always late to the party, especially when it comes against me, because I'm the one putting you guys in position on the front end. So when it dips tomorrow after a good earnings, don't be dismayed. Strategically use it to your advantage. We're going to get this at $8.50, ride this to $16 for another double up. Continuing to eat all the time, guys. That's what we do over here. Make sure if you don't do nothing else, you hit them with a switch, all right? Anyway, guys, those are our plays that's going to double in the short term. Make sure that you guys get into these, pivot out of other plays if you need to. Make sure you love on my fans if you see them out there talking down, because we love them all the same, guys. Listen, up next, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is 10-year bond yield. Listen, guys, as your homework assignment, I need everybody to stop what they're doing and go look up the U.S. 10-year Treasury bond. Okay, that's your homework assignment. I need to make sure that you guys familiarize yourself with what is making the market go up and down, okay? You guys need to see this number. It's the 1.5%, 1.6%, 1.7% range. It is trying to climb to 2%, okay? It wants the yield or our inflation to be at 2%. I think it's going to settle between 2% and 2.5%, which means that your tech plays will be the ones hit hard the most with that, okay? However, in the in between time, when they are down, your tech plays will be the one that rallies, similar to today. Somebody go look at Facebook and look at how they're getting it in, okay? These will be your winners in this back and forth type of market. You guys know with me, I'm going to always strategically place you guys in the right position to be successful no matter what the market do. Most people only make money in a bull market. With me, I dominate recessions, corrections, and crashes. Nobody does it like we do, guys. Make sure that you guys listen to this, do your homework assignment, and go look up 10-year U.S. Treasury bonds. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Fan Vo. She says, Chris, how high do you think charge point can get to by the end of the year? Dan Vo, this is a great question, guys. Listen, charge point, I just presented on this stock yesterday as our next home run play. Please make sure you guys are buying this anywhere under $25 to $23 range. That is our entry point for this particular price or for this particular stock, okay? But listen, guys, this is a 6-month hold for us, just so you guys that didn't watch yesterday's video get the proper guidance. We're gonna be in this play for 6 months. It will double. That's a guarantee. If not, I don't do nothing else in the stock market, I can guarantee a home run, okay? That play will double, meaning it will go to $46 to $50. Where I believe it will end the year at is around $55. Somebody mark my words on this, just to see by December 31st if we can get to $55 with charge point. Remember, we may take profits around 50 and or slap our trailing stop loss on, but to answer the question and to give you guys my price prediction for the end of the year, I see $55 on this, and then I see it taking off even more in 2022. But those of you know, I've been put you guys in this play. We have hit massive home runs in this, all the way from $13 to $50, with our target being $30. However, that's a lot of room that I already ran. So I think it will cool off, but it will still be slow and steady on its climb towards our double up, which that will happen. And then at the end of the year, we're gonna plateau around 55 before it takes off in 2022 and head higher. Okay, mark my words on that, guys. I rarely miss in the stock market, okay? Again, if you can't take nothing else to the bank, you can take what Chris ain't say about stocks. Listen, guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.